Magandang umaga guys, ano, at nandito na tayo sa Manoj History at ngayon nga ay tapos na kami magluto guys para sa pagpipita para sa panangalian. Mundo kanina pa yung iba ng ito, alisa pa lang guys, ay talagang meron na kami yan, kasi mas maganda simulaan mo sa hanggang panangalian hanggang gabi ay meron pa may guys, sa ganyan mapabalik-balikan kanila. So yan nga guys, muli sa mga nagbabalak na mag-shift up ng isa sa mga nire-recommend ko na pasukin mo kung may pisto kayo dyan sa inyo. Dahil ang food business ay walang hindi nalalais guys, dahil araw-araw kailangan natin kumain so umaga pa lang hanggang gabi pag matulog ay hinahanap ng pagkain talaga number 1 priority ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino guys. So sa mga magandang initiative na business, lalo na kung malapit kayo sa mga highways at mga taong lugar guys. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat ulit sa inyong mga pag-tuloy at panunood sa
should have been more proper restraint on the part of the enforcement agency. And I commensurate our staff we must stand by them. Because these are the people that will give their lives for us if there's anything that will happen in this building. And we should also be ready to give our lives for them. So I condemn what had happened to our Musa staff and all the ruckus that they created inside the Senate building. Mr. President, tama po kayo. There's always been decorum when these things.
Clinic yesterday and we saw attendance in Osama. I will not give the details on which hospital, but he was being checked by a medical doctor, and because there was supposedly a hematoma and we saw his physical condition, so we asked for an ambulance and the PNI, and he is in a private hospital now. I'm covering his personal expenses because his medical card in the Senate will not cover the private doctors and consultations expense the city and because 999 checkup, but there was a minimum of 3 days stay to check his condition because it's not as simple as that could have been dealt with in a medical clinic. All I can say was we were shocked. Senator Pia would probably be able to explain this. I could not explain how that actually could happen at the case of the Senate. It's something you see in the movies. It's shocking. When Senator Speedy said I don't think he meant that literally. He meant it figuratively to show your outrage. To show yes, no, I would like to, because we're not supposed dapat hindi nagsusubukan dito, di ba? Pero when I asked also the owner Osama this morning, why did you not come to his rescue? Because the video that Senator Pia showed me was Terence Lim on the ground being moved by big burly men and people watching him. So I asked, what did he get from man? I cannot give it the details for a fact. The spot report will explain why. They told me what happened. I cannot put it on record unless I have first-hand knowledge. But it shocked me when the OSA gave me the information today. I don't want to say it because I don't have first-hand knowledge. The spot report will explain. All I can say is that on the humanitarian side, we brought him through ambulance. And my staff, I thank her. I have a caregiver, especially isang staff na pinasamahan ko hanggang midnight magkasama hanggang dumating yung asawa. And then maybe sa thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President. May I be allowed to lay to rest this particular issue as far as I'm concerned, because I have been mentioned in my members of the Senate.
Yung tabi ng yung tabi ng nagtitinda ng mga gasol. Kalero? Kalero. Ay, kung pagpala. Kung may nagtitinda ng gasol doon. Ano yung nagtitinda? Kung may kasi konti ba gasol.
Kare-receive ko lang po. Thank you po. Apo, thank you. Sige po.
So I have been mentioned indeed by members of the Senate that Senate President daw, binayagan mo daw yung word na ginamit is binayagan mo daw yung NBI na pumasok dito, may sinasabi na kakain pa yung mga ganun. Let the records, well, speak for itself. Ito mga sabi ko sa President. Early in the morning, an NBI representative came to see me and told me they have a warrant of arrest for Senator De La Rosario. I said, simply, I said, delete it, sir. As simple as that, right? I didn't realize that he was coming. I didn't know that he was being going to be there in the program. I just thought it was a simple information given the Senate President that a member of the Senate was being issued a warrant of arrest. It was simple as that. Kaya, ikaw na hindi pa tayo, literally I know that, Senator De La Rosa, after 7 months of not